How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it's going to be a long day. We've got duct repairs, service calls, maintenances, all kinds of fun stuff. Let's do some work. This video is brought to you by RLS, original, patented, proven. Diversitech, helping you simplify your work. And by Inficon. Inficon just released their latest refrigerant scale, the Veto Pro, for all jobs, big or small. Can handle a large capacity up to 275 pounds, or a small charge adapter kit allows you to weigh in the small A3 refrigerant bottles like the R290. So if you're in the market for a nice, good quality refrigerant scale, check out the Veto Pro. So a few days ago, I came out to this job and found some ductwork under the house that needs to be addressed. With all the construction they have going on, they have some damaged branch lines and some that are just deteriorating, and then also some that are just not ran very well. Also, I found what's called an orifice around the condensing fan blade that was broken. So I removed it, and the upstairs system had a clogged drain line, so I went ahead and got that clean and serviced that unit. So today I plan on replacing what they call the orifice around this condenser fan blade. And then while we have everything taken apart, I'm going to go ahead and get this condenser coil cleaned up. Today I'm using Diversitech's MasterCare series of coil cleaners. These bottles are really nice. They're a heavy concentrate, so they're a really small bottle, which is great for truck organization and inventory, and they cover all the different coils and applications that you would need. Today I'm using the Triple D cleaner. Now these little bottles are good for up to 1 gallon of water. So my little sprayer is a little less than half of a gallon, so I'm going to use a little less than half of this little bottle. Now one thing to note is you do want to wear some type of like safety gloves and goggles whenever you're using any type of cleaner, but I just didn't have any on the van today, so next time I'll be more prepared. Secondly, here's a tip. Add the water to your container first before you add the actual concentrate. That way it doesn't foam up and then you have to wait for it to go back down, and then that way you know your dilution ratio is going to be perfect. One thing I like to do when I'm cleaning coils with a cleaner is to pre-rinse the coil first. I'm not sure if it helps or not, but I just feel like it does a better job when you get a little bit of water on the coil first before you add your actual cleaner, and then you give it a good thorough rinse obviously when you're done. Now what they recommend with this coil cleaner is that you let it set on the coil for a good 3 to 5 minutes to let it do its job, and then thoroughly rinse it after that. All right, so that's pretty much going to complete this job for today. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to go into the crawl space and replace all of those branch lines because they had the concrete edging install today as well. And I just did not feel safe crawling in and out of that crawl space with all the ductwork and possibly damaging that brand new concrete edging. So the branch lines are actually intact. Everything's functional. They're just kind of deteriorated and they just need to be replaced and strapped up better and all that kind of stuff. So it's not like they're going to go without. So we just got it rescheduled. No big deal. Customer's cool with it. But we went ahead and replaced that that little shroud. Train calls it something different, but originally came out here on a service call. That was broken. The drain line on the upstairs system was clogged. So I already went through the upstairs system, ordered the part for the package unit. So that's what we're doing today. Came out, got that swapped out. I figured since I had everything already completely dismantled, that was a good time for me to get that coil cleaned nice and thoroughly and just clean the rest of the unit at that point. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just got to come back to do the ductwork under the house and this job should be complete. So anyhow, I hope you guys got something out of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate you being here, taking the time to watch these videos. Definitely means a lot to me. We'll see you in the next one.